Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Grace Odao here with another hair video. In this video, I show you how I did these cornrows. Subscribe to my channel for more hair videos, and if you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share. I started by doing box braids at the back. Notice the bald spots? Yes, I have a few more at the front. So last year, I experienced dandruff and hair loss, and for a while, I couldn't braid my hair. My scalp was very itchy and I needed to wash my hair frequently. At the moment, my scalp is doing better and I can now do styles that can last longer than 3 days. Anyway, I'll share my experience with dandruff in another video. So for the box braids, I'm going to do just 4. I'm going to do 4 box braids at the back. And I'm using this braid. It's called Mali braid by Angels. I got it from my local beauty store and it costs 380 shillings. To fix the Mali braid on my hair, this is what I did. My explanations tend to be lengthy and a bit confusing, so I'm just going to let you watch what I'm doing. I might actually go out of topic when I explain. Do you prefer music in the background or me talking? Let me know in the comment section below. I later realized that this particular box braid did not come out as I wanted and I redid it off camera. For the cornrows, I wanted to do 5 cornrows and to position them in a certain way. Here's how I divided my hair. I did the first 2 cornrows while shooting a TikTok video. You can follow me on TikTok at Grace Odao. I share short tutorials there. Here's how I separated the braid. The braid has a coarse-like texture. It imitates natural hair, but it's kinda stiff. So to separate it, you need to start from the bottom and work your way to the top. I use 2 mirrors to braid my hair, one at the front and one at the back. So the idea for the cornrows was I just braid with my hair from the front to the back, and once I get to the back, I feed in the Mali braid. If this is your first time here, or in case you didn't know, I have a detailed cornrow tutorial on my channel, and you can click the eye icon on the right to watch it after this video. I have also added a link in the description box below. I like how the cornrows turned out. They look so neat. Dividing hair is a challenge for me, but with this hairstyle, I did well and I'm actually happy with myself. Subscribe to my channel for more hair videos. Do give this video a thumbs up and share widely. See you on the next one.